There is a big problem with AI tools today. I've tried dozens of AI tools every single week and I'm always disappointed. See, most of these tools help you work. That's it. They can be an assistant at best, helping you generate some content here and there, but you still have to do all the grunt work yourself. Take data from here to there, keep pasting stuff from here to there, and that is absolutely messy. But Notion just launched an AI that does all the work for you. Notion 3.0 is all about agents. Think of them as real teammates that do all the work on your behalf, be it creating, reading, updating, accessing the internet, and getting all the work done on your behalf. While most AI tools are generating text for you, Notion Agent is actually delivering outcomes. For the very first time, you have Notion Agent as a real teammate, which doesn't just chat with you, it actually completes tasks end to end. And in this video, I'll show how Notion Agent can be used as a student, as a creator, as a founder to actually get things done on your behalf. Thanks to Notion for sponsoring this video, and let's get started with the Notion Agent. So the first thing that I love to do with Notion is I love to learn new things every day. For example, today I learned about Microsoft Excel and I have this list of features that I want to learn and dig deeper into. So these were all of my notes that I took when I was learning about it from a video. Now I can go on to Notion Agent, which is right here on the right bottom side. And this is our Notion Agent chat. Now I can basically put a prompt like create a personalized study guide based on this page, break it down into weekly topics, generate key points and deadlines, and build a notes database and calendar to track topics and when they need to be revised. This is an entire ecosystem, not just generating text, which any AI tool can do. So I'll press on enter and you will watch how Notion Agent will transform this page, which just has a lot of text, into an entire learning ecosystem for me to master this one topic, which is Microsoft Excel right here. So it's going to update the entire project content, create new, topics and headlines and calendars and notes databases, everything in front of me. And that's the power of Notion Agent really. And as you can see, it's creating an entire calendar. It's creating a database of all the notes, and it's going to give me that file that I can open up. It's creating all of these properties: topic, week, status, key points, due date, revision, R1. Okay, and if you go down, you can see the exact list of topics that you should be learning in every single week. And if you go down, you also have Excel study notes. So depending on the week that you are in, you can open any of these and you can start writing all of your notes over here. And it has populated this entire table on its own. It added the topic, it made all of it on its own. Now, previously you would have to do this yourself. It would take you a lot of time, a lot of patience, but now this is all being handled by the Notion Agent. Another example, let's say you want to recall and revise any topic that you've recently learned about. So here I have a review of a book that I recently read. I can open up Chatur and I can basically, that's the name of my Notion Agent, and I can basically start a new chat and I can ask it to generate a quiz with 5 to 10 practice questions and answers based on the content of these notes to help with the active recall and exam preparation. Say if I want to prepare for an exam. So I can do that. I can press on enter and it's going to look at all of this topic and it's going to create a list of questions that I can solve to make sure that I've revised that topic. Especially great for students and anyone who wants to learn anything new and remember it for the long term as well. And it updated this page with the list of all the questions. I can answer the question on my own, and if I want to check the answer, I can always open this toggle list. So it can create any block, any Notion block on its own, as you can see right here. This is just a simple example. Notion AI can be accessed from this little bar over here, and this is what you would see when you would open it. And with this, you can create something from scratch. So a great example of what I want to do is to create a dashboard which will track all of my YouTube videos and make sure that I can track the status of the video being scripted, recorded. I want to get it edited, posted, repurposed, all of that. So I want to say, create a YouTube dashboard to keep a track of all my YouTube videos, including its status. So I'll say idea, scripting, scripted, recorded, edited, uploaded, and assign it to a particular person in my team. This is something that most AI tools cannot really do. But because Notion Agent is built into my workspace, I can actually create dashboards and assign tasks in those dashboards to the people who have access in my dashboard, to all of my employees and my teammates. And I can just press on enter. And now it's going to create an entire page for helping me keep a track of all of my YouTube videos. So it's going to create the properties of this database, which would be title, publish date, YouTube URL, owner, status, and then it will create the entire database itself. So it has opened up and made this YouTube dashboard for me. And I'll just say populate this dashboard with a few videos on random. So it will just add some random video ideas and status and owner and everything just for me to look at and see how it looks like. So as you can see, we have all of this put over here, and I can ask it to change the status of all videos to ideas. And that's the best part about it. It can actually update your databases, not just create them, but update them on the go. You can also say stuff like, make all the status of the things assigned to Ishan done. And as you can see, this is an entire dashboard that was made on my behalf to manage my YouTube videos in less than 2 minutes. How cool is that? Now you can add more properties to it. You can always ask Notion Agent to add more data, more insights, things like that. And it just keeps getting better with it. Let's say I want to brainstorm with content ideas. And this is a list of the last 12 videos on my channel. So I can basically create a screenshot of these videos. I can go to my Notion Agent. I can drop this image right here. And I can ask it, based on the last 12 videos on my channel, create a list of video ideas which will work really well and get as many views as possible. Let's say we want to do that, and I can basically press on enter. This is great for brainstorming for different ideas. It doesn't even have to be for YouTube. You could be a business owner. You can drag and drop your Stripe dashboard and ask it to find out insights and ask it to come up with different ideas for future campaigns. And it will do all of that for you seamlessly. Generate a dashboard and put all these ideas in it. And it will do that on my behalf. See, that's the power of Notion Agent. It's no longer about you creating a new blog, changing the heading, doing all of that manual labor yourself. Notion Agent takes care of all of that on your behalf. As you can see, creating databases, it does it all for you. All right, now I can go on to YouTube Video Ideas dashboard and look at all of these YouTube videos. So it will say the priority, it will also measure the impact, it will have a video type, and it will also have a publish date and hook. So I now have an entire list of video ideas that I can generate with Notion Agent based on my previous YouTube video data. So it looked at the videos that are actually working well for me, and it suggested this huge list of videos I should be making right now. How cool is that? And basically, that's a great way for you to brainstorm. One more thing I've been doing recently is organizing events, be it giving lectures and workshops for companies on AI or organizing AI hackathons. So for example, this was the details for the Mumbai Hack Day, and I can go onto my Notion Agent, clear the chat, and I can basically ask it to create an entire execution plan for a Bangalore hackathon that I want to organize based on the information that it already knows over here. So now I will say create an execution plan for Bengaluru hackathon from the event brief, include speaker outreach, judge shortlist, and set up checklist. So I'll quickly just make this up, and it is going to do all the work on my behalf. So I went from doing all the work myself to just chatting with Notion Agent and letting it do all the work on my behalf. That is the power of automations, of agents. See, it's just generating all this stuff while I'm just sitting here and talking to you. That's the best thing about AI and how it makes our lives easier. All right, and we have a new page with the entire execution plan for a Bangalore AI hackathon that I want to organize. It has all the details like the timeline and the owners, the program and the tracks, the speaker outreach plan, the judge shortlist plan, everything right here in front of me. It has a checklist as well that I can look at. So that was the Notion agent, a brand new way to work with AI right in your workspace. We looked at how it can help you create dashboards, it can update things on your behalf, it can take data and create new things from it, and you don't have to do any of these things yourself, which makes Notion pretty much the easiest AI tool to use. Now you can check out the Notion agent with the link in the description and try it out yourself and tell me what you think about it in the comment section below. If you have any questions, let me know below as well. That's it from me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.